It all started with a sudden phone call. We decided to finish what we started last time and headed back to the Kaz Mountains. After a quick morning coffee, we hit the road. First stop, the National Park entrance, then straight to the Sarıkız summit. Leaving the village behind. From here on, it's just us and nature. No more asphalt, no more noise. Passing through a forest maintenance area, they're clearing out the decaying trees to keep the forest healthy. Seeing these stacks everywhere really shows the scale of the work. There it is, the Alama Gate, our entrance to the Kaz Mountains National Park. We're checking in with security before we head deeper into the wild. The guard warned us about the snow up top. To be honest, neither of us saw that coming. We were definitely a bit too touristy for today's conditions. The higher we climb, the more breathtaking the views become. It's just us, the winding roads, and the quiet beauty of the Kaz Mountains. Taking a moment to appreciate the view and the machine that got me here. The scenery is changing fast. Patches of snow are starting to cover the track, and the dirt is slowly giving way to a winter wonderland. Wait, check out these icicles on the rocks. It's definitely getting colder than we expected. A quick stop to take it all in. The road is becoming unpredictable. One moment it's dirt, the next it's ice and snow. It looks like it's going to be a real struggle to find any traction from here on out. This is the 450MT's first time on snow. With over 9,000 kilometers on these stock tires, I'm trying to see how the bike behaves and where its limits are. I need to get a feel for the traction before things get tougher. The rear tire has lost all traction now. The incline and the ice are making it impossible to stop or move forward. It's like a literal ice rink out here. We decided not to push any further. Sometimes, turning back is the bravest part of the journey. Safety first. See you on the next ride.